Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to this camera family section and select slow motion. So like, let's record something in slow motion. I'm just gonna roll this bottle but in slow-mo, so it will look like absolutely awesome. So let's get it. Okay, we're done. So now let's check how it looks like. And as you can see, like, I rolled this bottle and it rolls like so cool, just like in your favorite action movies. Just look how slowly it falls on my knees. Then I pick it up and throw it again, and it's all like in slow-mo. So yeah, I guess you expected that from a slow motion video. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.